Next to white, grey is New Zealand's favourite wall colour. Its versatility and often chameleon-like qualities means it suits nearly every interior style. It can be classic, modern or soft and organic. Cool greys such as Pukaki Half and Grey Lynn can make rooms appear larger, while warm greys like Narrowneck Half will create a cosy living space, and deep greys such as Rowini and the Remarkables are perfect to make a statement or a moody backdrop. When you're looking for just a hint of colour but still want the appeal of a neutral scheme, soft grey is the ideal choice. Soft, warm greys are often referred to as a greige. Sitting in the perfect spot between grey and beige, these hues are fabulous for bedrooms as they create soft, dreamy spaces ideal for relaxing. This room features Dulux Narrowneck Half. Style it with black and white for a striking, classic look, or draw on colours from art or a feature rug to personalise your space.